In this video, we will explore how to use activities in Zoho Desk effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track and manage all your customer-related activities seamlessly. So let's get started. First step, we'll move over to activities. This is the activities module. Come into activities. You need to understand the type of activities. So if you add an activity, you can see add a call, add a task, and add an event. If you were to add a call, it lets you log all call details for future reference. If you were to add a task, it helps you create to-dos for follow-ups and resolving tickets. If you were to add events, it allows you to schedule meetings or customer engagements. To create a new activity, we are going to come in here and select either of these. And let's do add a task. After you've selected the type of activity, the screen shows up. Fill in the relevant details like mandatory fields. We can add a due date. Let's just say 31st January. There's no ticket yet associated, but you can associate a ticket with it by searching. We have a testing ticket, so let's just do that. Contact, test contact, and is for testing purposes. All right, and last step, after we've filled in all the details, we will submit this ticket. Perfect. So this is our activities ticket test Goldstar. You can see that it opens up here. We can close it and we can open up again. So let's just close this. The next thing is that what you can do is you can do automation with activities as well. If you come into settings and then go into automation workflows, and you can create a workflow rule, just say assign activities, and just create a workflow rule based on any criteria, and it would execute it by assign the user to the activity. So that could be done with activities. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay productive with Goldstar IT, your partner in simplifying workflows. Thank you.